What's up, guys? Hello. Hi. Hey guys, it's Jennifer, and today I'm back with oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Sorry, I choked on my own spit. I'm back with another thrift with me. You guys really liked my last thrift with me. I actually really liked doing it as well. It was one of my favorite videos I've done in a while. I love thrifting, and I used to thrift so much like as a child. I live in New York, if you guys don't know. Sorry, I won't show my messy desk area. I live in New York for school, if you guys don't know. And the last time I went thrifting, it was in Montreal, Canada. And a bunch of you guys told me to do a thrifting video in New York. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's a Goodwill and this like vintage thrift store like literally right by my dorm. So I'm gonna hit up both those places. That should be exciting. Yo, my arm is getting really tired. I need to work out. So I'm gonna be doing this vlog style just by myself because I'm kind of lacking on the friends department. I'm so relatable. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally. And subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. Turn on that notification bell. I need to stop whipping. If you do turn on notifications and comment down below, you might be featured as shout out of the week at the end of my next video. So let's get to it. Let's go. Hi guys, this music is so intense, but I'm at the first store. It's like a vintage boutique. I think it's a little too like bougie for me. Sorry if you can't hear me through the cinematic music. There's a lot of cool stuff, but I think it's like not really what I'm looking for. Oh, this is kind of cool, but it's giant. Alright guys, I was in that thrift store about like 0.2 seconds, then I realized it was way too freaking bougie for me. Just not the kind of look I was going for. I think it's for kind of like older people, so I'm not Goodwill. It's actually really small, or a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, or maybe it's just this location, but there's a lot of cool stuff, so let's start looking.
Bus stop on a Monday, lock lips on a Tuesday, that time on a Wednesday, that weekend lovers in their eyes, 6 weeks and it's so great.
Hi, I'm really freaking awkward. I found this cool top. You can try it on. Alright. This is so awkward. Jean section. Ooh, Levi's. Wait, these are actually nice.
Isn't that what life's all about? Just trying to figure it out.
Yeah, it was like,
Yeah.
Or else we'd have it by now.
Hi. In the changing room now. It's really awkward because there's like nobody here. But guys, these are actually kind of cool. They're kind of like trendy with the patches. And that's why low-rise jeans are out of fashion. Coachella.
Off my mind. So why does this happen every time?
Yo, I literally look like a highlighter, but it fits really well. I kind of like it. Highlighter, fit. Highlighter, fit. Oh my gosh. I just endured the most awkward 2 hours of my flippin' life. I don't know if you guys came to see me rant, but I'm gonna rant for a bit, okay? Y'all don't even know how hard it is to be a shy person and be a YouTuber filming in public because that was hard. Workers would walk past and they'd be like, "What you doing?" And I'd be like, "I'm taking a selfie for Instagram," because I didn't know if I was allowed to film, and also I just didn't want to explain the whole YouTube situation because it takes a while, and also it was a pretty small store, so I couldn't really talk because then everyone would hear it. So in the changing room, I'm literally whispering and you can hear me like, I mean, I got a couple of things, but I didn't really get what I wanted to. Most of the sections I didn't even get to, so I'm probably gonna go back because I want this to be a good video where you guys can actually see me do a haul. I have an itch. So I'm probably gonna go back. Dude, I really hope it's not the same people because they literally hate me. They were like, "Why is this girl here for 2 hours?" I was also the last person to leave, and it was just me and like 7 other workers, and pretty sure they were waiting for me to leave so that they could lock up. Hi guys. Alright, it's the next day. I can't believe I'm actually doing this, but I'm going for round 2 of the awkwardest 2 hours of my life. Let's go. I'm out here in the boys section or the men's section. I have a couple like button-up shirts. I'm looking through the t-shirts right now because boys have really good like graphic tees in the changing room. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna get this, but I'm very confused. Okay, it looks like a coloring book, but someone forgot to color it in. I don't know. It's just what it looks like to me. Okay, Tommy Hilfiger, let me tell you what your shirt is supposed to look like.
Feeling the darkness in his face every time he goes away.
Haha, no. This really accentuates the burrito I had for lunch today. A burrito, baby. Hi guys, your bald girl is back with the most flippin' basic drink in the world. A pinkity drinkity. Oh, by the way, I finished thrifting. Woohoo! Hi guys, I am back from the thrift store. It's actually a couple days later and I'm gonna do a haul for you guys of what is this? I'm gonna start. Okay, so first of all, I got this tank top type of v-neck shirt. Looks a little like Coachella, gives me Coachella vibes. I was not at Coachella. No, I'm totally not jealous. I'm kind of jealous. It's pretty comfortable. I think this was $7.99, which honestly isn't that good of a price for a thrift store. Oh, also, if you see a little hint of blue right here, it's because I'm not wearing real pants. It's like my shorts. All right, the next thing, okay, I'm kind of embarrassed. So I got this shirt, but it's kind of like the exact same thing as the thing I just showed you before, because this is also a gray tank top. Okay, wait, this one's high neck though, so it's like kind of different. But still, they're both gray and tank tops. And I'm kind of ashamed of myself. Suck in. We love a skinny legend. I think this was also $79. Whoa. I think this was also $7.99. Okay, so I got this. This might be really confusing for you guys because you're like, why did you get this ugly dress? Actually, it's not. I mean, it's a little bit ugly. I got this super long dress. It has these like tan stripes on it and it's gray and black and white, and I'm just listing all the colors now. I'm actually planning on doing a thrift flip video where I take clothes from the thrift store and basically like upcycle them. You guys will have to stay tuned to see what I do with this. I think this was like $9 or something. So, I mean, that's not bad, but also not great. But okay, I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. Let's move on. Okay, this is probably the most exciting thing that I have ever gotten at a thrift store. So I got this pair of jeans and I'm obsessed. Obsessed, okay? Thrift stores usually have nice looking jeans, but they usually like never fit me because they always have like nice Levi's and whatever, but it doesn't work out. This pair of jeans I saw in the rack and I was like, please fit me. I think I actually showed you guys some vlog clips of this, and this is like really trendy right now and I really like this look. My mom's gonna be like, you look like you live on the streets. Those are ugly. It looks like you tripped like 10 times and had to patch it up, but you know what? Whatever, Mom. I don't care. Just kidding, I care about your opinion, so don't hate me. I have to roll them up though because I'm really short. If I don't roll them up, it kind of just looks stupid. These were actually $5. Or $4.99, and I was shook to my core. Alright, I got another pair of pants. Right now I'm kind of obsessed with like this whole striped trend. Like, okay, these are a pair of pants that I already have, striped. These are another pair of pants I have, also striped. Okay, I could go on and on. I have more, okay? Just trust me, I have more. But I got another pair. These ones are like navy blue with like green and white stripes. I'm gonna be honest here. These don't look the greatest on me, but the stripes really just pulled me in, okay? I couldn't resist, so now I just have them. I guess I'm gonna have to wear them. I mean, they don't look bad, it's just like they don't look good, so I'm like, I don't really know why I bought these. I think these were $7, which is not bad for pants, but I just don't know if I like them. Okay, next up I got this turtleneck t-shirt, and I'm actually kind of excited for this. Nurse chic. Because I don't have many turtleneck I got this turtleneck t-shirt. It's kind of like baggy. I was hoping it would be like tight. It still works, it's a look. I'm probably gonna crop this, and I'm also planning on thrift flipping this shirt too, so stay tuned to see how I upcycle this and how I made it. Disappointed in myself. Okay, next up, this one I got specifically for my thrift flip video. This is an extra large men's button-up shirt. Button down or button up? Comment down below, button up or button down. I don't know, I think it's the same thing. This one is a blue, I mean, I don't really, do I have to explain this one? Like, it's not like you guys are gonna go out and buy this to wear. So it's just blue. This will be in my thrift flip video next. Can you stay up? So rude. I think that's it for my thrift with me this time. I honestly don't think I got that many cool clothes this time, except for that pair of jeans that I really like. Thrift stores are hit or miss. I actually think there was a lot of cool stuff at Goodwill. I just didn't have enough time to go through everything because I was a little awkward lump of coal. Haha. I think it would have been a lot easier if I wasn't vlogging, but I just, yeah. If you guys want to see more thrift with me, let me know down below because I really like doing these. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like it, not just emotionally. Shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!